In the book of Revelation today, we read about God's throne being like emerald and rubies. Yet the earth is his footstool. Do we contemplate its beauty very often? We can fall into this trap where we think that being holy means shunning the world. Yet, there's two books of Revelation. Both the Bible and the beauty of the world reveal God to us. If we see God in both, we'll be able to understand him more and we'll be that much holier. Remember, Jesus loves you. And please help me as I'm trying to produce more of these videos and do more online apostolate and do some studies and help out my community, but I need donations, so the link is below.